Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you our fun and exciting morning routine before school. Are you ready to start your day off right? Let's jump into it. First things first, it's time to wake up and greet the day with a big stretch. Good morning, world. Stretching helps us wake up our bodies and get ready for the day ahead. Don't forget to give yourself a big morning hug too. Now it's time to brush our teeth and get that smile sparkling bright. Don't forget to brush for 2 minutes. And don't skip flossing either. Now it's time to pick out our outfit for the day. What should we wear? I love choosing clothes that make me feel happy and confident. What's your favorite outfit? So let's make sure we fuel our bodies with something nutritious. Remember to eat a balanced breakfast to give you the energy you need to tackle the day ahead. Let's make sure we have everything we need for school today. It's always a good idea to double-check your bag before you leave to make sure you haven't forgotten anything important. Well, that's it for our morning routine. It's time to say goodbye and head off to school. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you have a fantastic day filled with fun and learning. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you next time.